The 2026 RB Components Adventure Van is designed for travelers who want a dependable camper van that can handle both everyday driving and extended outdoor adventures. Built with durability, practicality, and customization in mind, this adventure van offers a balance of comfort and rugged capability. Whether exploring mountain roads, national parks, or remote camping destinations, it provides a reliable platform for life on the road. The exterior features a modern yet functional design with off-road inspired styling. Heavy-duty bumpers, all-terrain tires, roof racks, auxiliary lighting, and protective skid plates give the van a capable appearance while improving performance on rough terrain. High ground clearance and durable construction allow drivers to confidently tackle dirt roads and challenging environments. Inside, the cabin is carefully organized to maximize space and convenience. Premium materials, durable flooring, and smart storage compartments create an environment that is both practical and comfortable. Every inch of the interior is designed to support adventure travel while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. The sleeping area provides a comfortable bed with supportive cushioning, making overnight stays enjoyable after long days of travel. Large windows and optional ventilation systems keep the interior bright and well ventilated. Privacy shades and insulated walls help maintain comfort in different weather conditions. The compact kitchen includes essentials such as a refrigerator, sink, portable or built-in cooking equipment, and generous storage for food and utensils. The layout is designed to make meal preparation simple whether parked at a campground or in a remote location. Easy-to-clean surfaces add to the van's practicality. Technology plays an important role in the 2026 model. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone integration, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple USB charging ports. Optional solar charging systems, lithium battery packages, and power management systems allow travelers to remain off-grid for extended periods. Performance is expected to be strong thanks to a capable engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The suspension is tuned to handle uneven terrain while maintaining comfort on highways. Responsive steering and confident braking make the van easy to drive despite its larger size. Safety remains a priority with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies help reduce driver fatigue and improve confidence during long-distance travel. Storage capacity is one of the adventure van's strongest advantages. Overhead cabinets, under-bed compartments, modular shelving, and exterior cargo options provide plenty of room for camping gear, bicycles, recovery equipment, and personal belongings. The flexible storage system makes it easy to adapt the van for different adventures. The van is also highly customizable, allowing buyers to choose layouts and accessories that suit their travel style. Options may include upgraded suspension systems, larger freshwater tanks, outdoor showers, awnings, rooftop tents, bike racks, and additional power solutions. This flexibility makes the adventure van suitable for weekend campers as well as full-time van life enthusiasts. Driving comfort is enhanced by supportive seating, effective climate control, excellent visibility, and reduced cabin noise. Long road trips become more enjoyable thanks to ergonomic controls and thoughtful interior design. Whether traveling through cities or remote wilderness, the van provides a relaxing driving experience. Overall, the 2026 RB Components Adventure Van stands out as a versatile and well-equipped adventure vehicle for outdoor enthusiasts. Its combination of rugged capability, comfortable living space, modern technology, strong safety features, and extensive customization options makes it an attractive choice for travelers seeking freedom and exploration without sacrificing convenience.